Hey everyone, so we're going to go over another example, example 2, of a regents questions where we're not given any algebra or numbers to deal with, but we have to try and figure out what they want us to identify conceptually. So here it says, as shown in the diagram below, AB and CD intersect at E, and AC is parallel to BD. Okay. Then it's saying, given that AE is similar to BED, which equation is true, right? So we want to figure out which proportion set up by these sides is true. So let's see. I can do what we did earlier, right? I can use my visual markers and say, all right, there's a triangle here for A and B. I can say for E, it's just a circle or square. And then for C and D, square, square. Okay? So we see that these two sides are corresponding, right? Triangle, circle, and these two sides are corresponding. Great. Also, these two sides are corresponding. So let's see, we're looking for a setup that's true. So it's saying that CE, which is from the big triangle, right? So I'm going to write big triangle. CE from the big triangle is over DE from the little triangle, so small triangle. So I'm going to actually use a symbol. So square circle, so square circle, square circle, right? So big square circle, small square circle. EB is small triangle circle, EA is big triangle circle. So automatically a problem, because when we set up proportions, we want either the B's. So if you have in the top a big one here, in the top needs to be a big one here. If you have big over big, then this should be small over small. Just some type of ratio setup that you need to keep in mind. So because these two are flipped, it can't be number 1. Let's look at an example for this one. So AE is big triangle circle, right? BE is small triangle circle. So hopefully this is big over small as well. AC is big triangle square, and BD is small triangle square. And this looks to be our answer. But let's just look at number 3 as another example of how we go about this. So EC is big square circle. AE is big triangle circle. So that means, so this is an example of big over big. So this should be small triangle circle over, this should be small square circle over small triangle circle. So BE is, let me just clear this, make this very clear that this is a square, not, it looks like a triangle. So BE is small triangle circle, automatically a problem because triangle circle is on the bottom over here. And ED is small square circle. So these two are switched. So automatically not the problem, so it's definitely choice 2. And that's pretty much it when it goes about solving these problems. Your major thing about ensuring that you can get this question right is that you label and that you also identify which one is the big triangle, or which one is the big figure, which one's the little figure. So I like using simple letters. If you want to use like the technical terms pre-image and image, go ahead, but you don't need to go that far in depth for a multiple choice question like this. That should be more for a short response. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, like and subscribe, and I'll get back to you guys later. Bye!